Today we discuss about what is the tangent of the curve. Tangent of curve. वक्र की स्पर्शी. Before know it, we have know about what is the secant. Let us suppose that is the curve. Then the line intersect at 2 points, that is AB. Then it is known as secant or chhedak. That is secant line. That cut the curve. Two or more 2 points are known as secant. Let us suppose this is the point. If the line touch only one point of the curve, then it is known as tangent. Okay? This also become a tangent. Line L becomes a tangent at a point A if distance of AB equal to 0. If x and y, that is x plus del x, y plus del y, then AB is the tangent at A if del x and del y turns to 0. If del x del y turns to 0, then point B lies on point A, then the lines are known as tangent of the curve. So tangent is the line that cut a curve at only one point, known as tangent of that curve, known as tangent of that curve. Any points at that curve. If cut only one point, then it is a tangent. यदि कोई रेखा किसी वक्र को एक बिंदु पर कट करे, नॉट मोर देन वन पॉइंट पे कट करता है, देन इट इज द tangent ऑफ दैट कर्व. तब कहते हैं ये रेखा उसकी स्पर्शी है. और ये जो पॉइंट्स होता है, पॉइंट्स आर नोन एज पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. स्पर्श बिंदु, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. हिंदी we know that it is a स्पर्श बिंदु. In English it is called a point of contact. Now we discuss about the tangent of the circle, tangent of the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Now tangent of the circle, that is the circle, that is the secant. Cut the line x1 y1 and x2 y2 AB. Then AB is the tangent. AB is tangent if a distance of AB equal to 0, that is x2 turns to x1 and y2 turns to y1, because D equal to with the formula of distance x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. Then x2 minus x1 d is 0, d is 0. It is clear that x2 minus x1 equal to 0 and y2 minus y1 equal to 0 because the square of any real number is a positive number. So the positive and positive never be 0. It is possible when x2 turns to the x1 and y2 turns to y1. That is x2 minus x1 equal to 0 and y2 minus 1 equal to 0. y2 equal to y1. So on this we can say AB is the tangent at a point A if the line L, the distance between AB is 0. This is the called tangent of the circle. The maximum tangent of the circle can be drawn, that is 2. Because the equation of the tangent is slope form mx plus minus a under root 1 plus m square. From here we can say that the value of m is plus and minus 2 tangent मिलेंगे. तो अगर पॉइंट आउटसाइड है तो मुझे 2 tangent मिलेंगे. पॉइंट इन ऑन द है, then we have only 1 tangent of the circle. Now the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to a square whose center 0 0 radius a. Okay, then the equation of tangent at point x1 y1 is x1 y1, that is this is the equation of tangent. The method to write the tangent at a point x1 y1, if x square that convert in x1, y square that convert in y1, x that converts half of x plus x1, y that convert half of y plus y, constant, that is a constant, no change, xy that convert half xy1 y x1. This is the method to write tangent of any curve at a point. For example, we have a x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. The equation of a circle in general form. We have need to write tangent at x1 y1. Then the equation according to this rule x1 y1, that is the square x1. That is the square y1. Then the power is 1. Okay, linear. Then half of the coefficient here. Then g x plus x1. Half 2 by 2 1. That is f. Y plus y1. Or that is c equal to 0. So for any curve, if we are required to write the equation of the tangent, we have remembered this point. If a quadratic, then x1, y square y1, x half x1, half y1, constant, no change in constant. Let us suppose x square plus y square equal to 10. Okay? Tangent at point 3 1. So we have 3x y into 1 equal to 10. This is the equation of a tangent at a point 3 1. So if we are going to write any tangent of the circle, we have remember this point. We easily can put the value. This is the Cartesian form of that circle. Now again, second, in slope form. In slope form, the question of tangent is in slope form. एक क्वेश्चन नॉट है हिंदी पढ़ता रूप में देन y इक्वल टू mx प्लस माइनस a टाइम 1 प्लस mx स्क्वायर. Is it the slope form of the tangent of circle x square plus y square equal to a square? Also we can say y equal to mx plus c is tangent if only if c square equal to a square 1 plus m square. This is the condition for tangency. Third, in parametric form. Metric form. Equation of tangent of circle x square y square to a square. Ax cos theta, by sin theta, ay sin theta equal to a square. Because parametric quantum circle a cos theta and a sin theta. Now put x square x1 x a cos theta y a sin theta a square. By solving this we can say that equal to a. This is the equation of tangent of a circle. In next video we discuss the proof of the given equation. With the help of second, we try to prove the equation of tangent of the circle x1 y1 equal to a square and the slope form by mx plus a w1 plus m square. Also find out the content in the form of a and m. Parametric equation a cos theta plus y sin theta equal to a. We discussed in our previous after this. And if you are going to write any tangent of the further, suppose that y square for s is the ellipse, parabola. That is the parabola. Then easily we can say y1 to a x plus x1. If you remember this. So if you want to write any tangent of any curve, if you know about that x square turns to x1, y square y1, if the variable is 1, so half of x plus x1. Similarly, y equal to half of y plus y. And see, no change. X, y, that change a half of x, y1 plus y, x1. This is with the help of this term, without this property, we can also find other equation of tangent. We discuss the proof of this in our next video.